Have you ever wondered about the difference between coding and programming? At first glance, these terms might seem interchangeable, but there are subtle distinctions that set them apart. Coding refers to the process of writing lines of code using a programming language. It involves translating logic and algorithms into precise instructions that a computer can understand and execute. Think of it as the act of crafting the building blocks of software or applications. Programming, on the other hand, encompasses a broader scope. It includes not only writing code but also the entire process of designing, testing, and maintaining software. Programming involves strategic thinking, problem-solving, and planning how different components of a software system will interact with each other. Coding is akin to laying bricks in a structure. It's about implementing specific tasks and functionalities according to a predetermined plan. It requires attention to detail and adherence to syntax rules defined by the programming language being used. Programming, however, is more akin to architecture. It involves designing the blueprint for the entire software system, deciding which technologies and methodologies to use, and ensuring that the final product meets both functional and non-functional requirements. In essence, coding is a subset of programming. It's the practical application of programming concepts to create executable code. While a programmer codes, they are actively engaging in the act of programming. But programming extends beyond just writing code. It involves understanding the problem domain, devising algorithms, optimizing performance, and maintaining the software over its lifecycle. So, the next time you're coding, remember that you're not just writing lines of code. You're contributing to the broader process of programming, a creative and methodical endeavor that shapes the digital world we live in.